Is your PC running slow? Thinking about upgrading to an SSD? In this video, I'll show you how to clone your entire hard drive including Windows, files, and apps using AOMI Backupper. If you need, you can download it in the video description. Let's get started. On the main screen, click Clone from the left menu, then choose Disk Clone. Now select the source disk. This is the hard drive you want to clone, usually your current C drive. Then select the target disk, the new SSD or hard drive where everything will be copied. Warning: all data on the target disk will be erased. Make sure it's empty or backed up. If you're cloning to an SSD, make sure to check the SSD alignment option at the bottom. This improves performance and extends SSD life. Click Next and review your settings. Now click Start Clone. The process may take from 10 minutes to a few hours depending on disk size. You can keep using your PC, but it's better to wait until cloning is complete. If everything went well, Windows should boot normally, but now from your new SSD. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.